I really wish I could trust her to take her off this leash. But if I do, she'll take off and may get hit by a car because she's kind of slow in that department sometimes. Unfortunately. So just take off. I don't know. Willow. So see a squirrel and be like, squirrel! And she'll take off and lose her way, even though she's kind of like a hound dog or something. Not even true. Look, this looks like it was made for you. This is pretty. Yeah. How far are we gonna go in here, Willow? I feel bad because she really wants to go exploring back here, but like I'm really not wearing the shoes. I mean, I guess I could take them off, but I'm not prepared. I don't know what's back here. I need to. Where's? All right, let's do it. Fine. The bird saved us some of these berries. I'm happy with it. They're bomb. Quite a few of them. Quite a few. That was a little too soft. They're tiny. That's a good berry. That's a pretty good berry right there. You trying to eat some too? Oh, you got stuck. Hold on, girl. Oh. You got here stuck on that thorn. Whoops. You gotta get some more of those. I'm coming back with a jar. Or a bowl or something for these things. A bunch of them. Alright, Willow. Go on this side. Thank you.